Electric Professional Kids Hair Clipper Waterproof by Bimearth is one of the best sellers among baby hair clippers products. IPX7 waterproof, easy to clean after haircut, no danger of electric shock. Ultra quiet operation, no scare for your kids. Round blade tip, no worry about hurting you baby, safe to use. Rechargeable, USB hub, support charge from adapter, power bank and computer. Full accessories kit, including guide comb, cape and cleaning bush. 5 hours of charge last for 1 hour. Environment-friendly professional kid hair clipper set for salon or home use. Perfect design makes it safe and convenient to use. Lovely design, mini size, cartoon pattern, heart-shaped switch. One switch to operate, easy to use, easy to operate. Equipped with several accessories. 3 guide combs. 3 6mm, 9 12mm and sideburns comb, help you to control the hair length when cutting. A little brush, for cleaning the clipper after use. A sponge, for cleaning broken hair on baby's face. A hair cutting apron, help to keep kids' clothes clean. Specifications. Plug type, US. Material, ABS. Main color, white. Power, 5W. Battery, built-in 24V600 mAh battery. Charging hours, 5H. Power adapter voltage, AC 100-240V. Item size, 14 by 4 by 3 cm 551 by 157 by 118 inches. Item weight, 120 gram 425 ounces. Package size, 15 by 13 by 5 cm 591 by 512 by 197 inches. Package weight, 272 grams 961 ounces.